Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine at your home. Students, in the previous class, I started question number 2 of exercise 5C, in which I explained you how can we divide a polynomial by another polynomial, and I explained you its two parts, 2a and 2b. Today we will continue the same question starting from 2c. Let us start. See here, in C part we have to divide z square plus 7z plus 12 by z plus 3. So first we will write it in this form: z square plus 7z plus 12 divided by z plus 3. So what is the first step? In first step we will take first term of this dividend and first term of this divisor. So z square upon z, we will divide this z square by this z. Z square means z into z upon z. Z cancel, we get z. So we will write this z here. Now this z plus 3 will be multiplied by this z. So z plus 3 multiply by this z. Z multiply by z, it is z square. Then this plus z multiply by this 3, it is 3z. So we will write this product z square plus 3z here. Now subtract. For subtraction, first we will change the sign. This is plus, we will change it to minus. This is also considered as plus, it will change to minus. Now this plus z square and this minus z square, they will be cancelled. Plus 7z minus 3z, we get plus 4z. Now write this term plus 12 here and repeat the same process. We will divide its first term plus 4z by this z. So z cancel and we get plus 4. We will write plus 4 here. Now this z plus 3 multiplied by this plus 4. So plus 4 multiplied by z plus 3. 4 multiplied z, we get 4z. Then this plus 4 3 ja 12. So we will write 4z plus 12 here. Again change the sign. This plus will change to minus and this plus will change to minus. Now plus 4z minus 4z, they will be cancelled. Plus 12 minus 12 also cancelled. We get 0 as a remainder. And what is the answer? What is the quotient? Quotient is z plus 4. Now next D part. In D part we have to divide c square minus 7c plus 12 by c minus 4. So first we will write it c square minus 7c plus 12 divided by c minus 4. Now come to the rough work. Its first term will be divided by its first term. First term of dividend will be divided by first term of divisor. So c square upon c means c into c upon c. C cancel, it is c. We will write this c here. Now this c minus 4. C minus 4 will be multiplied by this c. So c multiply c, it will be c square. Now this minus c multiply by 4, it will be 4c. So we will write this c square minus 4c here. Now change the sign. This minus will change to plus. This plus will change to minus. Now this plus c square minus c square, they will be cancelled. Minus 7c plus 4c. When we will simplify, it is minus, it is plus. Both the terms are with different signs, so they will be subtracted. A smaller one will be subtracted from larger one. We get minus 3c. Now write this plus 12 here. Again follow the same process. Minus 3c. This is the first term. So minus 3c divided by this c. C cancel. We get minus 3. Write this minus 3 here. Then this c minus 4 will be multiplied. C minus 4 will be multiplied by this minus 3. This time we have to multiply by minus 3. So minus 3 multiplied by c. We will get minus 3c. And out of this bracket it is minus sign. So this minus sign will change to plus sign. Now minus 3 multiplied by minus 4, it is plus 12. Write this minus 3c plus 12 here. Then change the sign. This is plus sign, change it to minus. This is minus sign, change it to plus. Minus 3c plus 3c, they will be cancelled. Plus 12 minus 12, they will be cancelled. Remainder is 0. So our quotient is c minus 3. Now come to E part. In E part, we have to divide. In E part, we have to divide this a power 4 minus 14a square plus 49 by a square minus 7. So what is it? What is the first term of this dividend? It is a power 4. Right here a power 4 divided by this a square. So we can write it a into a into a 4 times upon a into a. This is a square. A cancel, a cancel. We get a into a means a square. Write this a square here. Now multiply this a square minus 7 by this a square. A square multiplied by a square. See, a square multiply a square minus a square multiplied by 7. This is a power 4 minus this is 7a square. Students, always remember, when we multiply, then powers are added. This 2 plus 2, 4. Not we are multiplying these powers. If it is a square and it is a cube, a power 3, then it will be 2 plus 3, 5. Not 2, 3, just 6. Okay. So do not be confused. Powers are added, not multiply. So a power 4 minus 7a square. We will write here a power 4 minus 7 square. Then change the sign. This minus will change to plus and this plus will change to minus. Now this a power 4 minus a power 4 cancelled. Minus 14a square plus 7a square. We will get minus 7a square because for one term is minus and other term is plus. So when two terms are with different sign, we subtract the smaller one from the larger one. So we subtracted this 7 from 14. We get minus 7. We will put the sign of the larger number. Now write this plus 49 here. Now again repeat the same pattern. Now this minus 7a square will be divided by this a square. A square. Here a square cancel. We get minus 7. Write minus 7 here. Now multiply this a square minus 7. A square minus 7 multiplied by this minus 7. Now minus 7 multiplied by a square as we did here. So minus 7 multiply a square, it will be minus 7a square. Minus 7 multiplied by minus 7, it will be plus 49. We will write this minus 7a square plus 49 here. Now change the sign. This minus will change to plus, plus will change to minus. Minus 7a square plus 7a square cancelled. Plus 49 minus 49 cancelled. Students, we cannot cancel. Suppose it is minus 7a square, it is minus 7a square. We cannot cancel them. They will be minus 14a square. As you know, when two terms are with same sign, then their numerical values are added. So 7 plus 7, 14 with minus sign. If it is plus 7a square plus 7a square, then it is plus sign, 7 plus 7, 14a square. But if it is minus 7a square plus 7a square, they will be cancelled, it will be 0. So here it is minus 7a square plus 7a square, they will be cancelled. Come to next part, F. In F part, question is a power 4 minus 5a square minus 6a. A power 4 minus 5a square minus 6a plus 3 divided by a square minus 3a plus 1. This time in dividend there are 4 terms and in divisor there are 3 terms. So first we will write it in the form a square minus 3a plus 1. This one divisor. A power 4 minus 5a square minus 6a plus 3. Students, you have to write, you have to do all this rough work in your notebook. Do not leave this work. You have to write all this rough work in your notebook. Sorry. Now start. Its first term is a power 4 divided by this a square. We can write it a square into a square, or we can do like this also. A square into a square upon a square, cancel a square. So we will write this a square here. Now this a square minus 3a plus 1 multiplied by this a square. So this a square multiplied this a square, it will be a power 4 minus, now this a square multiplied by minus 3a. A square minus a square multiplied by 3a, then this plus a square multiply 1. So we will get a power 4 minus 3a power cube. See here, this is a square and this is considered as a power 1. So a power 2 plus a power 1, 2 plus 1, 3. It will become 3a cube plus a square multiply 1, a square. We will write this product here, a power 4 minus 3a cube plus a square. Students, sorry, it will not be here. I am writing it again. Okay. A square minus 3a plus 1 divided by a power 4 and leaves some space here. Then write minus 5a square minus 6a plus 3. We have written here a square. Then after multiplying we get, see here, a power 4. Then this is minus 3a cube. Here a power is 3 and here there is no term with a cube. So we have left this space here. We will write this minus 3a cube here. Minus 3a cube. We cannot write this minus 3a cube below this a power 4 or below this 5a square. You know like terms and unlike terms. In 7th class, I told you when powers are same, when literal factors are same, then they are like terms. We can write only like terms below the like terms. So in the dividend, there is no term with a cube. We leave here some space and we will write a power 4 minus 3a cube here plus a square. We will write plus a square below this a square. Okay. Now again change the sign. Plus will change to minus. Minus will change to plus. This plus will change to minus. A power 4, a minus a power 4 cancelled. So this will be now considered, it is earlier it was minus, now it is changed to plus. So we will write it plus 3a cube. Now minus 5a square minus 1a square. It will be minus 6a square, then minus 6a plus 3. Now this time this 3a cube upon this a square. See here, it's rough work I am doing here. This time we will divide this plus 3a cube upon this a square. So it is 3 into a into a into a. This is a cube upon a square. A into a cancel, a cancel. It is 3a plus 3a. We will write here plus 3a. Now this divisor a square minus 3a plus 1 multiply by this 3a. Now this 3a multiply a square. 3 1 ja 3, a power 1 and a square. It will become a power 3 minus 3 3 ja 9. A multiply by a square. This plus 3 1 ja 3a. So we get 3a cube. Right below it 3a cube minus 9a square. Minus 9a square. Then plus 3a. We will write plus 3a. See here. These all three are like terms. Below a cube, a cube. Below a square, a square. Below a, we have written a. Now change the sign. This plus will change to minus. Minus will change to plus. This is plus. It will change to minus. Now plus 3a cube minus 3a cube. It will cancel. Minus 6a square and plus 9a square. It will be plus 3a square minus 6a minus 3a. It will be minus 9a plus 3 will be written as it is. I think there should be no problem. Come to next step. Again follow the same process. This plus 3 square plus 3a square upon this a square. A square cancel. It is plus 3. Now this divisor a square minus 3a plus 1. This divisor multiply by this plus 3. It will be 3a square. This minus 3 3 ja 9a plus 3 1 ja 3. This is plus 3. It will be written here plus 3. Then this 3a square minus 9a plus 3. Change the sign. Plus will change to minus. Minus will change to plus. Plus will change to minus. Now it is plus 3a square minus 3a cancel. Minus 9a plus 9a it will cancel. Plus 3 minus 3 it will cancel. Again remainder is 0. Students, remember one thing. See here given in your book. Do not forget to rearrange the terms in descending powers of the variable. So see here, if we check, it is already written in descending power of variable. See a power 4 minus 5a square minus 6a plus 3. Here power is 4, here power 2, here power 1. A power 3 is missing. So we have left the space for a power 3 here. A power 4 minus 5a square minus 6a plus 3. Then we will repeat the same process. Okay. Now come to G part. In G part, dividend is 56 plus 2a square minus 22a and divisor is 7 minus a. Here I have written this question. So students, see here first, what is written first? It is constant term. Then 2a square minus 22a. So just now I told you that we write all the terms of the dividend and divisor in the descending order of the, in descending power of the literals. So first we will write it 2a square. Just now I told you Do not forget to rearrange the terms in descending powers of the variable. So we will write it like, we will write it first this 2 plus 2a square plus 2a square means we can write it 2a square, then minus 22a, it is a power 1, then this plus, it will be written as plus 56, this sign will be considered as plus 56. Now we have to divide it 7 minus a, we will write it minus a, then this plus 7. Constant term is always written in the last. So again we will follow the same process. Its first term is 2a square, this 2a square divided by this minus a. So we will write 2 multiply a upon minus a. A cancel. What is the quotient here? This minus sign with 2a, minus 2a. We will write this minus 2a here. Now this minus a plus 7. See here, minus a plus 7, it will be multiplied by this minus 2a. So 2 1 ja 2 and a multiply a square. When we multiply minus 2a with minus a, it will become plus 2a square, or you can understand like this, minus 2a multiplied by minus a, then this minus 2a multiplied by 7. So it will become plus 2a minus 2a multiply 7, 2 7 ja 14 minus 14a. It will be 2a square, sorry. 2, when 2a multiply by this a, it will become 2a square. So we will write it 2a square minus 14a here. Change the sign, it will become plus, and this will change to minus. Plus 2a square minus 2a square cancelled, minus 22a plus 14a. It will be considered now plus 14a, not minus 14a. When we simplify it, we will subtract this 14 from 22. We will get 8 minus 8a, because sign from before the bigger number, before the larger number is minus. So minus 22a plus 14a, it is minus 8a. Now this plus 56, again repeat the same, minus 8a, this minus 8a divided by this minus a. A cancel, minus minus cancel, what is left? Plus 8. We will write plus 8 here. Now 8 multiplied by this minus a plus 7. 8 multiply minus a, we get minus 8a. 8 multiplied by this plus 7, it will be plus 8 7 ja 56. We will write here minus 8a plus 56. Change the sign, minus plus minus 8a plus 8a cancelled, plus 56 minus 56 cancel. So our quotient, our answer is minus 2a plus 8. Clear, students? Now F. Come to its F part. In F part, question is given minus 19f plus 24 plus 2f square divided by 3 minus 2f. So students, how we will write it? We have to divide, this is the dividend. We have to write this dividend. So first we will write it in descending order of powers. So what is the largest power? It is plus 2f square. We will write it 2f square, then this minus 19f, then this plus 24, and it will be written as minus 2f then plus 3. You are observing both the questions are same. So you will try this question self. Do this question self. So students, we have completed up to F. This is beta H, G, H. sorry, GH. We have completed up to H. Now one question in this, one part of this question is left, I, and two part of question number 3. 3 questions are left. Cut this question number 4, A and B. Leave these 2 parts. So 3 questions are left. We will complete this exercise in the next class. Okay, students. Students, I know these sums are little bit difficult. If you face any problem, any difficulty, you can ask me, or if you watch this video 3 or 4 times, then I think there should be no difficulty. But still, if you feel any difficulty, you can ask from me. Okay, students. Thank you and have a nice day.